For decades, we've imagined a future where machines think for themselves, robots and AI, sometimes helpful, often threatening. The biggest fear? That machines would take all our jobs, leaving people with nothing to do. Studies predicted nearly half of US jobs could be automated, fueling anxiety about a jobless future. But reality is more nuanced. AI isn't replacing entire jobs, it's automating specific, repetitive tasks. Think of sorting data, filling forms, or crunching numbers. AI excels at these. Instead of mass unemployment, we're seeing jobs evolve. Humans are shifting to work that's more creative, social, and meaningful. The skills we need are changing. What makes us human is now our biggest asset. We're not racing against machines, we're learning to work alongside them. As AI handles the routine, our roles become more interesting and uniquely human. The future of work isn't about losing jobs, it's about transforming them. Our challenge is to adapt, focusing on what only people can do. The old fear of robots taking over is giving way to a new reality: partnership. Machines handle the mundane. Humans bring empathy, creativity, and judgment. This is an exciting new chapter for work. So, what sets us apart from AI? Researchers call them the epoch skills: empathy, presence, opinion, creativity, and hope. These are the abilities machines can't replicate, and they're becoming more valuable than ever. Empathy is our capacity to truly understand and care about others' feelings. Presence is about building trust and real connections, something no algorithm can fake. Opinion means using judgment and ethics to make tough decisions, not just crunching numbers. Creativity is our power to imagine and invent beyond what's been done before. And hope? It's the vision and inspiration to rally people toward a better future. AI can analyze data, but it can't inspire, comfort, or dream. These epoch skills are our human superpowers. They're what make us irreplaceable in the age of AI. As technology advances, these abilities will define our success. Let's see how they work in real life. Epoch skills show up in jobs every day. Empathy. A nurse comforts a scared patient, something AI can't do. Presence. A financial advisor builds trust, understanding clients' dreams and fears. Opinion. A city planner weighs ethics and fairness, deciding where a new park should go. Creativity. A developer imagines a groundbreaking app while AI handles the routine coding. Hope. A leader inspires a team to pursue a bold vision. In each case, AI supports by handling data and repetitive tasks. But the human touch, connection, judgment, imagination remains essential. The best results come when people and AI combine their strengths. We're not being replaced, we're being empowered. Our most human skills are now our greatest advantage. This partnership is already transforming work. Let's look at how companies are making it happen. The smartest companies blend AI and human talent, a strategy called augmentation. AI boosts productivity by handling routine work, freeing people for what matters most. In customer service, AI pulls up info instantly, while agents focus on empathy and problem solving. In fashion, AI suggests clothes, but human stylists add creativity and personal touches. For hiring, AI screens resumes quickly and fairly, then humans use judgment to choose the best fit. This teamwork leads to faster, better, and more personal results. Human-AI partnerships unlock new levels of innovation. Machines handle the data, people build relationships and make big decisions. The future belongs to teams that combine the best of both. Companies investing in this approach are seeing happier customers and employees. It's not about humans versus machines. It's about working together. When we play to our strengths, everyone wins. Here's how we can all get ready for this future. To thrive, we must become lifelong learners, focusing on our epoch skills. Take courses in communication, practice empathy, and nurture creativity. Learn the basics of AI so you can use it confidently at work. Companies should invest in people, helping them adapt and grow. Leading organizations are already reskilling workers for new, higher-value roles. Redesigning jobs to combine AI efficiency with human strengths creates better workplaces. When employees help shape this change, trust and success follow. The age of AI is an opportunity, not a threat. By embracing what makes us human, we'll shape a future where work is more meaningful, humans and machines together can achieve more than ever before. The future of work is bright, and it's ours to create.